Okay. Is that how you're supposed to do it? Subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell if you... I forgot my own intro. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be testing out some weird Asian / non-Asian beauty products today that are just weird. And some of them are just super cute and I just had to buy them because they're just so adorbs. And I wanted to try them for you guys. A lot of this stuff is Korean and Korean skincare is the best. It's like the queen of skincare. Really wanted to test out how that's gonna work on my skin, like a full coverage girl. A lot of this stuff is super duper cute. I mean, there's like kittens and candy, lattes. I'm obsessed. This is a blush. Can you believe that? How tiny and cute. This is a tattoo for your brows. And this is double eyelid tape that I don't know how to use, but we're gonna figure it out today. I honestly love Asian beauty products. I love Asian food. I love Asian dessert. It's like my favorite, hence Mochi and Boba's names. And a little note to you guys on the side, I hate to even bring this up because it makes me super, super sad. But I lost Boba. She passed a few days ago and she is no longer with us and I went through it. It's very, very sad and I will miss her dearly and she was the most adorable thing ever. But anyways, I obviously love Asian treats and everything like that. So I even named my cats cute Asian things. So I really love Asian products and I can't wait to try these out. So if you guys want to see how all these Asian beauty products / weird products in general came out on my face, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the quad fam. And without further ado, let's get into this video. I just realized something. I was so excited to try the V-shape tape that I've been seeing on super viral Instagram videos. So I was like really excited to get this V-shaped tape. And when I typed it into Amazon, I got this and I was like, okay, this is the tape. But now that I look at it, it says moisturizing. I think I got the wrong tape, you guys. What? This is a pad. This is not the tape that I wanted. Maybe that should be a different video. You guys let me know if you're interested to see the V-shaped tape to like snatch to the face. I really, really want to try that. I thought that's what this was, and apparently it is not that. So let me just see how I use this. It's like a sticky film, and I guess this is going to help with your chin to like get rid of the double chin. Stretch the mask 2 to 3 times before applying. 2, 3, okay. Hang the mask on both ears and gently make it fit over your cheeks and chin. All right, here we go. I could feel like, I could see how this would work. Leave on for 20 to 30 minutes and then gently remove the mask. Yeah, so I got the wrong thing, but this is cool too. A little facelift before I start the makeup. I'm gonna wait, I'll be back in 30 minutes. Okay, I'm back. I am going to take this off now. And I don't know, do you guys see a difference? I don't know. I was hoping that I was gonna get really snatched today, but that's okay. I can do it with makeup. It feels very moisturizing, so I have a moisturized chin now. Yeah, that did nothing. I'm gonna go on. So the next thing I'm gonna try is the Cushion Foundation from, I can't pronounce the name. I don't wanna butcher it, so I'll let you guys read it. Trio, but this is in the shade 23 and this is supposed to be more of a skincare kind of a product. It comes with this pad right here. This pad is supposed to be like really great for sensitive skin, and it also is supposed to be really great at packing coverage on. So let's just see, let's just try it out. Usually these types of cushion foundations I avoid just because it's no coverage for me usually, and I like coverage. It comes with little sticky paper over it, so I'm just gonna take it off. It looks like this. This is like 99% skincare and 1% makeup is what it says on the site. So I'm not expecting a whole lot of coverage out of it. So I'm gonna take the sponge. This is supposed to be like a really good sponge. And press down and oh, that was easy. Okay, so hopefully this is my shade. So when I went to Korea last, I think 2 years ago, I went to Seoul. Everyone's skin was beautiful. Every person that walked by had the most amazing skin. Their skincare there is so more advanced than what we are here. They just have some kind of secret sauce that we do not have. And I see coverage. Okay, I was thinking that this was gonna be like just completely like moisturizer, but this is actually not too bad. I'm like really surprised at how the coverage is on this thing. It's pretty good. It kind of covered up my under eye circles too. I was thinking it was gonna have like no kind of makeup in there, but there obviously is some type of coverage. It does feel like a youthful, bouncy kind of feel. I like it. Surprisingly, I actually like this cushion. So now I'm gonna go on to concealer. There is this concealer called Silky Fit Concealer BB Power Brightening from Yada. I thought this was like a cushiony sponge, but this actually is a concealer right here. And it says that it's supposed to be brightening plus anti-wrinkle SPF 34. Oh, okay. So you open this up. Whatever's in here does not transfer here. So I'm just gonna put it on like that. Ooh, my under eyes are gone. Nice. I wasn't expecting this type of coverage from Korean makeup because it is mostly skincare based, but I am pleasantly surprised. When I was getting this stuff, I was like, the more coverage, the better. So I was like, concealer, BB, plus a cushion. Like I need all of that. And that's what I'm getting. I'm getting a lot of coverage. So this concealer is pretty intensely hydrating. I can feel the moisture, but it's not like a sticky kind of a feel. It's really, really nice and smooth. All I gotta say is I wanna take a trip to Korea and just get a whole bunch of products because their stuff is so good. There's like a tacky, not sticky feeling in the concealer that makes me feel like it's going to last throughout the day. Very excited to see how this is going to perform throughout the day, you guys. We are concealed, we're brightened. I'm very bright right now. I wanna fix these brows. I got these. But these are not Korean, they're not Asian. I just got them on Amazon. So I have these eyebrow transfers, which I thought they were like little eyebrow wigs, but they're not. It says that this can last up to 5 days. So this better be good. Oh my gosh. I didn't know that this is gonna be so permanent, but I'm kinda excited because it looks really feathery, so it could go very well. If you don't like it, then what do? I'm just gonna cut some brows. Okay, let's cut the brows. I'm supposed to turn it around and wet the back. That kind of fits perfect, I think. Watch, it looks so crazy. I do not like my eyebrows to go that far down, so I'm just gonna take the tail end and cut it. I think I'll be good with that. Now we get the paper cloth and you put it on like that. I'm nervous to take this thing off. So, oh my god, that was off. Like it could have worked. No, it's like a tattoo gone wrong. No, we cannot do that to ourselves. I'm taking it off. This is not what I was expecting. Okay, I'm gonna try it one more time. One more time. But it's like a tattoo and you gotta be careful on how you position it. Like you have to hold it in the right place or else it's gonna look terrible. I think we're good. I think I can take this thing off now. Okay, let's take this off. I didn't wait long enough, but it looks like some of it got on there and that doesn't look bad. I just have to have patience. I don't have patience for this. Maybe doing a little bit at a time is gonna be the best thing for me because, okay, look, I'm just gonna be honest with you. I failed miserably at these tattoos or this sticker thing. This is a fail. Like, I'm sorry, but I cannot go on with my makeup like this. I'm gonna take them off. These were a fail, so I'm gonna go put my eyebrows on and I will be right back so we can move on to the rest of this makeup. All right, so we got our brows on, we're ready to move on. The next thing that I saw was super freaking cute. You know I had to get it. You know I had to get it. This is the, I don't know what it's called, but Etude House Everything is super cute. They checked off the cold brew latte. And that is basically my favorite drink. So you open it up and it has those cute little lattes on the front. Look how adorable. Caffeine, a little caffeine bag. Okay, I hope that it's good though. I'm gonna pick up these two shades right here. A little bit of this one and work that into, oh my god, I almost forgot. I bought this eyelid tape. It's supposed to be for like the eyelids to, you know, look like you have an eyelid and then, you know, but I have a ton of different folds here, so I was really excited to use it. But I totally forgot and I started putting on eyeshadow and now I don't know if I can go back. I'm just gonna do it anyways with the eyeshadow on. It's probably the wrong thing to do, but before I go any further, I wanna try these eyelid tapes. And I know these are for monolids that do not have like a lid. And I do have a lid, but I just want to see if it'll help with all the extra folds that I have. They also come with a little applicator inside where you can push the tape in. So let me try it out. Never done this. I haven't even looked at any videos on how to do this. Okay, so there are some instructions. You're supposed to clean your eye, but you know, we break rules around here. Stick the tape on the best eyelid crease where the tape fits your eyelids. Okay, and then use the sticker, adjust and press. What in the world? Like, this is a sticker on my eyelid. That's all that it is. I fell at these sticker things, like these tapes and stuff. They were not meant for me. We're gonna try this again. It's not sticking. Like, it doesn't stick. So many of my Asian friends are laughing right now if you're watching this. So let's just say one is here, one is here. Okay, now I'm gonna stick them back like this. Wait, is that how you're supposed to do it? No, this is wrong. This is so wrong. Ow! It hurts, it hurts. Wow, so these stickers are not my friend, basically. We're not a match. We do not go together. I don't know, you guys. If anybody knows how to use these, comment below what I did wrong. Now I'm gonna move on to that really pretty color, and I'm gonna pop that onto the center. We are feeling the halo light today. This is a pretty good eyeshadow palette. I've never tried Etude's shadows, and I'm really picky with eyeshadow, but this is not bad. I'm done with the eyeshadow. I'm gonna move on to the wing liner stamp. I thought that was cool. I can't wait to try this. I actually have a wing liner stamp from someone, but I never tried it. You know, just a little skeptical. This is not Korean, but we're gonna put it in the mix because it's kind of weird. One side is just like a stamp, like a triangle, and the other side you can like actually work it in there. This looks really big for a stamp. Like I'm gonna have a really big wing. Oh, okay. And then use the other side to just bring it in. That was easy. That was really quick. I thought it was gonna be huge. The only thing is it goes way up there, like it's a check mark on your eye. That's crazy. I don't know. Let's go ahead and do the other side. Didn't do a bad job. If you have trouble doing wings, I would definitely try this out because, I mean, look at it. That's cute, you know? Wow, I'm really impressed with this, you guys. If you have trouble with your wings, wing liner stamp got you. For mascara, I'm gonna use this one right here from Touch in Seoul. This is the Stretch X Stretch Lash Effect mascara. I can already tell that this formula is super lightweight, which is awesome. I don't like heavy, thick formulas on my lashes. I've never tried this mascara, so I'm really interested to see how it performs because on the website it says it's supposed to give you extreme length and almost like falsy type lashes without having to wear lashes. So I'm really interested to see. And it also said that I was enriched with silk proteins, so not mad at that. Okay, I'm putting on a lot of mascara and my lashes are not clumping at all, which is so cool. And they're getting really long. I really like this for my bottom lashes because I feel like it really defines every tiny little lash. And my bottom lashes are tiny, like you can't even see them with a microscope. But with this, I feel like they're really stretching out. For the top lashes, I like them, but honestly, I need a little bit more length. So I am gonna put on some of these lashes and I just really wanna try them. These are from Hello Beauty. I love the packaging, very like Hello Kitty inspired. They're really wispy. They give me Ardell wispy vibes. And I don't think this is Korean at all. This is just the contour stick. I put in Korean contour stick or like cute contour stick and this is what popped up from Pin Pokes. When you have long nails, everything is a struggle, except for picking up hot food. I'm gonna take the lightest one because this is the most ashiest looking contour. Snatch those cheeks because we didn't have the tape. This is more warm. What is this? Oh my God. This is beautiful. Who got this? Thank you, Sophie. You're such a sweetheart. This is like all my dreams in one little cup. It's sparkly, it's Starbucks. I love it, I love it. It's like a lavender opalescent kind of highlight and I'm gonna put it on my cheeks. I don't see much of a highlighting experience happening right now. It just kind of melts into the skin, but it does make it look more like dewy, but it's not very glowy. I don't see any reflectiveness happening on my face. So that was not, I mean, that was okay. I'm not totally impressed by it actually. The next thing that we have is this moisturizing blush. What? Never seen that before. Look how cute this is. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. I'm gonna just take some of that blush and put it on the cheeks. Ooh, that is baby pink. Ooh, and it smells good. I'm interested to see how this is moisturizing as a powder. So the next thing I have is this super cute compact right here. It's like a little kitten and you take it out. It's from Tony Moly. It's Cat's Wink Clear Pack. It's a matte translucent setting powder. So cute. It's a little cat paw. It's adorable. Oh my God. My heart just is set underneath my eyes. I wouldn't say that this is translucent. I feel like it definitely has some type of brightening color in there. The last thing that I have is this really cute lip mousse. It looks like this. Looks like a little candy. Mousse, candy tint, and carrot. I'm gonna open it up. How adorable. This is extremely vibrant, by the way, and I was not ready for that. I think we can pull this off. Crossing fingers. Whoa. Yep, she's orange. Ooh, it smells really good. It just feels so smooth and creamy on the lips. I want like every color. It feels so good on the lips. In the end, I feel like I'm very pale. I'm pale, I'm very pink. It's a look. Like I feel like this is definitely a look, you know what I mean? And I love it. So I'm gonna go and contour my nose now. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and let me know if you like this type of video. It was really cool testing these things out. I want to test out more weird things because I don't feel like this is really that weird. And if you have any suggestions on what you want to see, I really want to try the V-shape face tape out. I got the wrong one, but I really want to try that out in a video by itself. Let me know what you guys think about that. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. There's 2 other ones over there. Check them out if you haven't already. And before I let you go, I just want to ask you guys, if you have a pet, can you just please give it a big hug for me and show it just so much love today in Boba's honor. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Hug your pet today. See you in the next video. Bye, dollies.